Hi, in this video we will discuss a fundamental concept in Python, for loops. For loops are used to iterate over a sequence. Here's an example. For I in range 10, print I. And notice the indent right here. So let's break down a for loop. The for keyword defines the for loop. I is the loop variable. We can name the loop variable to be anything, but I is just common practice. Range, how many times the program should iterate or loop through. And the for loop body contains what should be executed during each iteration. So now let's talk about using the range function. The start value is included and the stop value is excluded. There are many different ways to use range. This is a really good picture from Stanford's Python reader, and it explains how to use the range function. Okay, so in the first scenario, all numbers 0 to stop, and stop is not included. So we would just write range and then the stop value. For example, range 10 gives us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Notice how 10 is not included in this list. For the second scenario, all numbers start to stop. Stop is not included. So we would have range, start value, and stop value. For example, range 2, 8 gives you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. For the last scenario, all numbers start to stop, taking steps at a time. So range, start value, stop value, and the step value. So range 0, 10, 2 gives us 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And notice how the 10 is not included here, and we are adding 2 to the value of I each time. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. And I encourage you to check out Stanford's Python reader after watching this video. Okay, so now let's go through a few examples. So let's say you have a problem that says use a for loop to print all the odd integers between 1 and 50 inclusive. And this is one of the solutions. For I in range 1, 50, 2, print I. So as you can see, we're starting at 1 and we're ending at 49 here, because 49 is the greatest odd integer in this sequence. So that's why we can write 50 here, 1 through 50 inclusive, but 50 is not included because it's not odd, so that's okay. And then 2 is our step value. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, and so on until we reach 49. Here's another example. Use a for loop to print multiples of 4 between 0 and 20 inclusive. And here is one of the solutions. So for I in range 0, 21, 4, print I. So notice here that our step value is 4, and here intentionally we chose our last value to be 20, which is why we needed to make this 21, so the 20 is included. So 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, and 16 plus 4 is 20. I hope that makes sense. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!